Oh, morning guys, Nick here. How are we this morning? Hey, just down at the Go Bus yard doing my first solo run on the urban routes today. So I'm doing St Clair to town and then standby on a couple of different routes around town. So just a quick good morning. Thanks for watching. Please click like if you enjoy the video and remember to subscribe at the end of the channel. I'm not sure what's going to happen today. I will try and get some dash cam footage of the bus as we go around. We'll see how the day progresses, but we'll catch you guys a bit later in the day. Okay, see you later. Oh, morning folks. Just here at the hub in Dunedin. I've just done St Clair to the hub. I'm now going to be on standby in another part of town, so I'm going to go for a wee drive up there empty shortly. But today I'm in a 2017 Volvo B7R. This is the model built by Kiwi bus builders in Tauranga. Yeah, lovely bus to drive. Got the radio there, the ZF automatic. So yeah, very comfortable driving position. Lovely bus to drive. So yeah, going well so far. Touch wood. So we'll get some footage during the day, bits and pieces, and we'll talk to you guys a bit later on. Cheers. Okay guys, if you can hear me, I'm just empty at the moment. I'm now going to be on standby for a little bit, so I'm heading up to another part of Dunedin city where I will await further instructions. So I've just got you on the dash cam for the next 5-10 minutes. Nice mild morning here in Dunedin. Oh, how you going, guys? Nick again here. I'm just parked up at Nairn Street in Dunedin, just on standby for overflow bus. So just once again looking in the interior here of the Kiwi bus built Volvo B7R. So I've just been doing my checks, walk around the vehicle, make sure there's no damage to the vehicle. So I have checked off my check sheet already. This is the 7 litre turbo diesel B7 Volvo engine. Very good for urban work. Euro 5 as well, so environmentally friendly option, very efficient running vehicle. It's got the ZF Ecolife 6-speed automatic gearbox with the integrated retarder braking system. And just looking at the front here, we've got the bike rack here on the front, which is very easy for the passengers to utilise. The RT there, so we can keep in contact with base. Cameras throughout the vehicle, radio and ticketing machine, which is not in use at the moment with the restrictions on passenger contacts. They're just entry and exit via the rear door at the moment. Anyway, I hope you found that interesting, folks. I may be sitting here for a while, so I'm going to turn the camera off. I may get a few more snippets of action during the day, but we'll talk to you a bit later on, and thanks for watching. Cheers. So I've just backed out of welcome back, guys. I've just backed out of a tight spot in the yard here, and heading down to Countdown on the one-way system as a standby coach, or standby bus at the moment. So I'll let you guys just enjoy the ride for 10 minutes or so. Okay guys, how you going? All done for the day. Temperatures really dropped here in Dunedin. We're in for some hail tonight, tomorrow. I think that clears up again, but I was successful on the first day, mainly just standby today, but good to get out there. But I'm back into it in the morning, so I'll get some more footage then for you. But thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and click like, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.